Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up your PlayStation Portal and get it connected to your PS5. Now it's pretty simple, so first all you're going to do is first in the top left corner, you notice there's a couple buttons. Now the power is a bigger one, so you're going to hold down that. Just keep holding down until you see the PlayStation logo. Next, just choose your language. And you're going to connect to Wi-Fi. Alright, so I actually kept on putting in the wrong password, didn't notice. But I guess I'm just not used to the keyboard. So make sure, if you're having issues, make sure you press the eye icon just to verify it's the correct password. Then press enter. Download the system update. Then agree to the agreement. To save battery, you can turn the screen off. Alright, so another software update. Then it's going to restart. Next, just scan this code with your phone's camera or sign in manually. And it's going to select approve. Next, just select a PS5. Now there's two steps. First is required, second is just a suggestion. So for the first step, on your PS5 home screen, go to settings. Then go to system. Then go to remote play. And turn on enable remote play. Now if you want to be able to use this when your PS5 is in rest mode, which I think most people would, then in your settings go to system. Then go to power saving. Then go to features available in rest mode. And turn on stay connected to the internet. And turn on enable turning on PS5 from network. When you're done, just press continue. Then it's showing you the quick settings are right here. Then press O or circle. Then press next. Pretty nice animation, so just press X. And hey guys, now I'm on my PS5. Yeah, so first thought's a bit of lag for me, but I'll give more thoughts in a future video. Alright guys, thanks for watching and tell me how it works for you. More videos in the top right.